Bet none of you expected this. So, where do I begin? I'm wanting to do a bit more stuff on YouTube now. I'm looking over here because I'm looking at my monitor, and from what it looks like, I posted 2 months ago, which was my sequential indicators. From there, I've not done any videos. So, the video before that was modifications I have so far, but half of them aren't even on the car. But as of now, newer ones are, if that makes sense. So, I'm wanting to do a lot more with the car, and I did say that I was going to be uploading to YouTube, but the thing is, with YouTube, people care about quality, quantity, all that stuff. So I bought myself a GoPro and tried what I could with the time that I had, and I was on the furlough to most of that, which is how I was able to do all the stuff. But now it's tier 4, we're in December 28th. Well, as I'm recording, it's like 1 in the morning, but yeah, so hopefully I can start uploading more. I just don't have anything to upload wise as of things. So as of right now, I've got a few modifications that I'm doing to the car. I have got a decat, I've got an intercooler, I'm getting my vents done by Nick Wiley soon this year. It was meant to be last year in November, but tier 3 happened and you weren't allowed to leave your city. Now we're in tier 4, which means we absolutely cannot leave the house. I have put a full stage 3 induction kit in my car, and I'm debating if I should take all that out, put the stock parts in, and video myself putting the stage 3 intercooler stuff in. I've got a few paint mod stuff, I've got a new exhaust, I've put mud flaps on my car, I've done a few more things on the interior and outside, so it's been a lot of things. So the last time you've seen from what I'm looking at is the footwell lights, custom ST line badge, which is now off the car. I've done my adding front bumper decals, which I'm not sure about them, but they're still on. A walkthrough of my car, which was 5 months ago. Some stuff's definitely changed with that. Modifications I have so far, I'm pretty sure that was my GPF back exhaust that I have, which I realised my car is not a GPF car. It's the normal version, as you would say, so I've now put a full-on straight pipe onto that. I couldn't record that because I had to go to someone's house to get it done. But yeah, a lot of stuff will be happening. But I don't, because I'm looking at the channel and it looks bare. And when I'm looking, I thought the only video that's got the most views is the ST line badge. But that's because most people, when they have ST lines, will make it look like it's an ST. So that's got 1.7 thousand views. And I'm wanting to make a bit of a variety. So I've bought myself a few things thanks to Christmas. I've got myself a GoPro bag with head strap, chest mount. I'm wanting to buy a suction cup mount for in the car so that I can put it on the windshield so I can do like some drive videos, if that makes sense. I've got a few other mounts that I can use, but I'm just needing to wait and try and get everything worked out. But as of right now, I've currently got my GoPro on its tripod stand that it comes with, and I bought a thing ages ago for when I used to do videos, and I've currently got my phone on that so I can see the display, so that I know nothing's messed up, as you can see. I was going to buy the GoPro display mount thing, but it's like £160 just for the media mod to put a screen onto it, but then I thought that was a waste of money when I could just do it through my phone, so I'm going to get used to that. So hopefully that's the plan. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff, hopefully New Year, which right now, by the time I wake up tomorrow, will be the 28th, so I'll have 2 days until it's the New Year, and I'm going to start uploading. I'm going to try and upload more. I'm not saying it's not easy, but it's work, trying to video stuff, the time that to edit it, because as many of you know who do edit videos, it's not just as simple as 10 minutes editing. Like, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it if you want to make it good, and then the video takes ages as well, and I need to have stuff to video in order to edit to upload. So that's the thing. So right now I've got my decat, and at the end of the video I'll show you all it, or I don't know when, but I will eventually show you it. Storage bed, which is all my car parts. Literally everything here is car parts. So I've got my decat here, and I've got my intercooler here, and I've got my tiger stripe decals here. That's all my old boost pipes, other airbox stock thing. And in here stuff I use for the low line kit, which I couldn't video because I didn't have the GoPro when I put it on. And all this is just stuff for a TV bed because it's a storage bed. But yes, so you might not be able to hear me because I'm going to put the camera closer, but there's a decat. I'll put a picture on the screen now of what it looks like fully. Intercooler with that silver thing there is not actually meant, that's part of the heat shield for the decat. I took that off. So, and in there you probably can see a wee bit of a red bit, but that's a picture of what it will look like, but I will do that in a different time, hopefully on video, I'm not too sure. My intercooler and my decat, I might not be able to upload that process properly because I need to go to one of my friends at his house in order to do it because he's a mechanic, but obviously don't exactly want to record the whole process because from what he says I'm going to be doing the intercooler and the decat at the same time, so we're going to take the bumper off, and I don't exactly want to be pointing cameras in his face and putting cameras down trying to get an angle, help him with a bit and change up, and I don't want to be bothered doing that. So I'll see how I can do, but I'll definitely be doing a process of the before, the after, and hopefully in between if I can do it, but I don't exactly want to be thinking about filming when I'm trying to do something properly. So but as of now there is a straight pipe on the car minus the cat because obviously got a decat there. Right now it's got the centre resonator out, the back box out, and it's, instead of a 1.5 inch, it's a 2.5 inch pipe going all the way from the cat because I'm going to get a decat on it, which then will be a turbo back technically because it's a Scorpion decat with a Miltech exhaust. Hopefully I'll try and edit it so that I explain a bit more better, but yeah, so hopefully within the new year I'll put some videos out, but I'll put my Instagram on screen because that's where I post more. I put any modification, Instagram sees it before anywhere else. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy, and I will be posting a lot more on here. If I don't post for weeks or months, it's because either I can't get out due to lockdown, or my car's had a flat tyre, or something's wrong. For the most part, I have a GoPro, I have all the equipment. It's just a case of finding the right stuff to fit, as of suction cups for like driving stuff, because I don't exactly want to be going about my city with a head strap and a GoPro on because that just looks stupid. I will see you in the next video, whenever that is, but I will be trying to post more, so yeah, see you then.